good with ya, baby? Peace and love to everybody out there, man. I had to bring this to y'all, bro. Fast and early. Because y'all been spamming me in my DMs, comments, messaging me personally for me to react to this song. Just off my last Naughty by Nature reaction. So today, we got Naughty by Nature, Yoke the Joker. Man, y'all told me Tretch on this song. Shout out to Tretch. He gonna blow my mind. I expect to get my mind blown with this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all new. Let's go. It's your boy Ahmad. Let's go.
I'm telling you, I want this done quick, in and out. I want all that black market shit, everything. All the t-shirts, all the cassettes.
Who is it?
Where the shit? Everybody
face down, don't nobody look at me.
Where the shit?
Yoke the Joker.
This is about to be crazy. Time out, bro. Like, what is that? What is that? Like, what? What is that? My bad for part. What is that? That's why I firmly believe, I stated this before, probably in the MF Doom reaction. That rhyme scheme right there, the way he just rhymed, that shit should be studied at these universities, bro. Dead ass, like, I gotta go back, my bad. That just tripped me out. Like, he said silly slapping, the way he just rhymed, I'm going back. Got to.
Sorry, saps and slouches, strap slamming style, smacking and smashing savage. These songs is who shot so. Snap 7 sample sauce, slowly go so low.
Everything with S.
Stereo sound stiff in. Strip the Sagittarius, Samaritans, the system. Smoke the Joker, 3 times over. Hit over, go with the flow. I'm about the Yoke Joker.
Oh my God. He just rhymed everything that start with S. That was amazing.
All that straight face shit like your heart has been through. Smile and give your face something to fuck to do. Your ugly, smugly, squilly, dilly, wrinkle face bastard. Someone needs to hit and run it and run your ass over backwards. Let's giddy up, yep, another fuck up. Grab your microphone, battle time showing up. Any freestyle I see while I prowl, I dial a new style. Tell me about Ooh Child. Another victory is mystery. I smoke your skull, your brain, and come blistery. All fuzzy, dirty, dizzy, duzzy. Get the fix in these. Remember how blistery? You ain't ready for the Freddy of rap. You can't kill me. I step into your dreams, you feel me. Slicing your life away, just like my mic today. I eat you the psycho way. I'm ripping shit right away. I treat you like a bitch in a ditch, off an angel dust. Take you to a roof, sure you can fly. Just jump slut. You think you might say a rhyme that someone might order like. You couldn't wash it up in a motherfucking water fight. All love sure. Look at the prop sure. So proud of sure. Suck my encore. Swinging the bolo. The flow goes solo. I'ma smoke ya. It's time to Yoke the Joker.
Hey, Tretch, you got a new fan, dude. You got a new fan out of me.
The only way you wouldn't be getting dish chumped like a girl is if your father would have bothered to pull it out early. is what I do in the worst way. Quick to do a hit for you, most likely I spoiled you. Applaud you, ignored you, then broadly floored you. The proof is in the pudding, my collar ain't wooden. It takes more than an axe to tax, bless the children. Physically, facially, racially made to be. Crazily paid a G, what a fucking way to be. Hot damn, I'm a man with a hand plan. Pimp smack that, then attract the new game plan. Eat your big beat, digest some digest shit I was left yet, then go to the next step. That's what I do, that's what I say, that's what I live. That's what I prove, that's what I move, that's what I give. And other brothers wanna go home and write shit. Bite what I might get, then up and say I quit. Me getting got, oh what a beautiful thought from you. Ain't it amazing what some paper plus a pen and tongue can do? Yoke the Joker.
I knew that last reaction to Naughty by Nature, what I heard by Church wasn't a fluke. I thought that was a fluke. I thought he wasn't gonna rap like that again. He did it with this one. I'm gonna finish out the song. I can't. I'm lost for words, man. I'm lost for words, man. Yo, I see why y'all was just spamming. I'm telling y'all was spamming me for me to react to this song. Now I see why. Y'all don't never cease to amaze me, bro. Ever. And I remember a couple y'all comment under my last Naughty by Nature reaction. Y'all said Eminem personally put Tretch in his top 5. Eminem, Marshall Mathers, like he put Tretch in his top 5 rappers of all time. Now I see why. Like that second verse, he literally rhymed everything that start with the letter S, bro. It all just came together so well. It all makes sense, bro. Rappers like this, man, they a treasure. They a natural treasure, man. That rhyme scheme he just did on the song, this shit dead ass should be studied at these universities. Harvard, Yale, wherever, around the country. This gotta be studied, bro. I'm perplexed right now. I'm very, very perplexed right now. Like, that flow right there, I never heard that before. How I just get put on to Tretch, man? All my life, in my 22 years of living, I'm just getting put on to Tretch. I never seen this man or nobody put this man having one of the greatest flows or top 10 flows of all time. How I'm just getting put on by this dude? Because he's amazing. Man, listen, send me some more Tretch, Naughty by Nature, whatever, down below in the comments, man. I'm getting to it fast, quick, in a hurry, whatever. Peace and love. I'm out.